Hi friends! Welcome back to Kids Corner with Haven. Today, we're exploring some amazing wintry animals. Did you know that some animals are built to survive in the coldest, snowiest weather? Ooh, that's very cool. Their special adaptations help them stay warm, find food, and thrive in icy weather. Let's dive in and learn about these cool creatures. Let's learn about winter survival superstars. Our first superstar is the Arctic fox. These adorable foxes live in the Arctic tundra, where it's super cold and snowy. They have thick fur that changes color. White in winter to blend in with the snow, and brown in summer to match the dirt. And guess what? They even have furry paws to keep their feet warm. Next up is the majestic snowy owl. Snowy owls live in the Arctic and are known for their fluffy white feathers that help them keep them warm. They have excellent eyesight and hearing, which helps them hunt for food like lemmings even under the snow. Now, let's waddle over to the emperor penguin. These penguins live in Antarctica, one of the coldest places on Earth. They huddle together in big groups called colonies. They also have a thick layer of fat and waterproof feathers to protect them from the freezing winds and icy weather.
The mighty polar bear is up next. These bears are like the kings and queens of the Arctic. Their thick fur and a layer of fat called blubber keep them warm. They also have black skin under their fur to soak up the sun's heat. Cool, right?
Say hello to the caribou. These animals, also called reindeer, live in cold forests and tundras. Their hoofs change with the seasons, hard and sharp for icy surfaces in winter, and soft and spongy for walking on wet ground in summer. Last but not least, meet the harp seal. Baby harp seals have fluffy white fur to blend in with the snow and stay warm. As they grow up, their fur changes, but their thick blubber helps them stay cozy in icy waters.
It's fun fact time! Did you know that polar bears can smell seals from almost a mile away? Emperor penguins take turns standing on the icy ground so everyone in the group stays warm. Here's another cool fun fact. Snowy animals can fly silently so their prey doesn't hear them coming. It's quiz time! Which animal has fur that changes color with the seasons?
If you guys said Arctic fox, you guys are superstars.
Question number 2. What do emperor penguins do to stay warm in the cold?
Did you guys think of they huddle together in groups of colonies? Well, if you did, I give you a big thumbs up.
Okay, you guys, this is the last question. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's try this out. Which animal has hooves that change with the seasons?
Did you guys think of a reindeer? If you did, you guys did awesome. And another name for it is called caribou. Great job, everyone! Thanks for hanging out with me on Kids Corner with Haven. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures. See you next time!